Reliable, high-speed internet at sea is no longer optional, it's essential. Whether you're a yacht owner, a commercial vessel operator, or a charter captain, staying connected impacts safety, navigation, communication, and comfort. Traditional satellite services are expensive, slow, and unreliable. That's why Marine Data Solutions offers the Starlink Flat High Performance Kit, a cutting-edge maritime connectivity solution built for the harshest conditions at sea. With global coverage, high-speed internet, and low latency, Starlink enables video calls, remote monitoring, weather tracking, and uninterrupted streaming, even in open waters. Designed for mobility, the Flat High Performance Kit stays stable through rough marine environments and integrates seamlessly with LTE, 5G, and Oneweb networks using our exclusive MDS Blender. Every kit includes a high-performance terminal, secure mounting brackets, power supply, and cables for easy setup. Our team handles installation, activation, and crew training, ensuring your yacht's network is optimized from day one. We provide flexible data plans, competitive pricing, and ongoing technical support. Whether you need accessories, custom enclosures, or extended coverage, we've got your vessel covered. Upgrade your yacht's connectivity today with Marine Data Solutions and Starlink. Visit marinedatasolutions.com to shop, get expert advice, and stay connected wherever you sail.